Hold up, I need you to hit that subscribe button right now on the Cloud Hustle YouTube channel. We're bringing you the ultimate gateway to remote work freedom. Sick of commutes? Want to work from anywhere? We post verified remote jobs weekly, plus game-changing tips to help you land these positions fast. From beginner roles to premium tech careers, we've got you covered with real strategies that actually work. Join to transform your lives. New content drops every week. Subscribe now and let's break free from the office together. Did you know there are YouTube channels making tens of thousands of dollars monthly? I recently discovered a channel earning over $30,000 using just voiceovers, and another that launched in January 2025 is already profitable with AI-generated story animations getting millions of views. Even basic videos with human footage and simple subtitles can reach 1 million views, generating around $5,000 per video in high RPM niches, exceeding $10. I came across an amazing shorts channel with only 22 videos that has already grown to over 330,000 subscribers with 99 million total views. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create these kinds of videos, monetize them effectively, and launch your own channel right away. Creating these videos is surprisingly simple. First, make sure to subscribe to the channel like this video and join my Telegram channel for all prompts and tools used in my videos. Link in the description. To begin with, we need a compelling story. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to create an interesting and horrifying 1-minute story about ancient Rome, or whatever topic interests you. ChatGPT will craft an engaging narrative that forms the foundation of your video. Before we create visuals, let's record a professional voiceover using ElevenLabs. Go to their website, select text-to-speech, and pick a voice that matches your content's mood. Adjust the settings to optimize sound quality, and within moments, you'll have a professional narration ready to go. Now it's time for visuals. Return to ChatGPT and ask it to write a prompt for generating an image related to your story topic. Copy this prompt and visit Leonardo.ai. Click Start, adjust the settings to my recommended parameters, and paste your prompt. In a couple minutes, your AI-generated image will be ready to download. If you're not satisfied with the results, ask ChatGPT to refine the prompt until you get exactly what you want. For a complete video, you'll need around 10 to 15 images that follow your story's chronology. Request a new prompt from ChatGPT for each image. This whole process takes just 4 to 6 minutes. Once finished, organize all your images in a dedicated folder for easy access. Every great video needs compelling background music. I recommend Pixabay for royalty-free tracks. Search for epic music or whatever style complements your content. Apply filters to narrow down your options and download your favorite track. Now you have all the raw materials: voiceover, images, and music. Time to edit. I use CapCut because it's intuitive and comprehensive. Import everything, then add dynamic animations and apply a shake effect to each image for visual interest. Experiment with transitions, sparks, and other effects to make your video captivating and immersive. The final crucial element is professional subtitles, which dramatically increase viewer engagement. For this, we use VMEG, a game-changing subtitle platform that transforms how your content connects with audiences. VMEG uses advanced AI to generate and translate subtitles with remarkable precision. Unlike basic subtitle tools, VMEG captures the nuances of speech, distinguishes between speakers, and preserves emotional tone throughout. Their technology works seamlessly across content types, whether you're creating scary stories, historical documentaries, or tech tutorials. Getting started is straightforward. Visit their website through my description link and log in with your Google account. On the homepage, select Subtitle Translator from their suite of tools and upload your video. While their free tier works, I strongly recommend upgrading to their premium package at just $9.60 monthly. This unlocks their full suite of features, including priority processing, extended character limits, and their revolutionary AI-driven enhancement tools that automatically perfect timing and emphasize important words visually. Here's a pro tip that dramatically boosts your reach. After uploading your video, change the Translate To option to either the United States or United Kingdom. This strategic choice significantly increases your video's promotion in these lucrative markets, attracting more viewers and potential sponsorship opportunities. YouTube's algorithm gives preference to properly subtitled content in these regions. substantially increasing your viral potential. VMEG offers over 20 professional subtitle templates designed specifically for different content styles. After selecting your preferred design, simply click Submit, and your project moves to the My Tasks section. There you can preview the results, fine-tune any timing or text issues, and download in formats optimized for all major platforms. The entire subtitling process takes under 5 minutes, even for longer videos, and the engagement improvement is substantial. The entire production process, from story generation to finished video, took me just 20 minutes. By dedicating this small amount of time daily, you can build a library of high-quality, engaging videos for your channel. These videos can easily generate your first $1,000 from views alone, but that's just the beginning. As your channel grows, you'll attract sponsors, especially from AI-related companies looking to promote their products. These sponsorships can multiply your income substantially. Start creating today and see the results for yourself. Join my Telegram channel for exclusive niche recommendations and insider secrets, completely free. The link is waiting in the description.
In the 1st century CE, Emperor Nero built a palace unlike any other, the Domus Aurea, or Golden House. It stretched for miles, filled with gold, jewels, and grotesque luxury. But beneath the palace, in the dark, damp tunnels, it's said Nero kept his personal theater of horror. According to legend, he kidnapped prisoners and forced them to act in plays where the deaths were real. One woman was sewn into the skin of a wild beast and mauled by dogs for a scene. Others were crucified or burned alive as pyrotechnics for Nero's twisted amusement. Whispers spread that Nero would wander the halls at night, dressed as a beast himself, howling through the corridors, half emperor, half demon. When the palace was rediscovered centuries later, early explorers claimed they heard faint screams echoing in the stone and refused to go back.